Alright, my people, how na dey? Long time no see. Happy new month, happy new month, happy new month. So my people, I don't carry another update carry come on. And this update what I want to talk about today, you don't say I not talk about you don't say where I not talk about because they've been changed a lot of things. You get plenty things where they change. So as I say they don't change things. So I say okay, make I come here and share the new update where they available here given for people where they interested. Here for my channel, I dey talk about different updates where go fit help you. They earn small thing for yourself. If you want to collect better update for my hand, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you go to collect plenty update for my hand. Wait. And I beg, make sure you comment happy new month for comment section. I really appreciate you if you do that one for me. Thank you very much. Okay, so this update what I want to talk about today, I been already talk about them before, but you don't say well. I still they use and share, but they don't change plenty things. I just say make I come here, make I review this platform, make we see as in there. I beg make you know say this one no be tutorial. This one no be tutorial, this one na review. For this video I go tell you now what I like about the platform, what I don't like about the platform, the pros and the cons, the legit part and the parts where I know to like, you understand? And I go rate the platform over 10. And I beg before I continue, make you know say this one no be financial advice. So me, I no be financial advisor. I know they advise people about their finance. This one I just update where they share based on my personal experience, you understand? Oh yeah, make we continue. So as you they see for these people their homepage here, then talk say buy and sell, connect buyers to sellers. So this platform here, then they call them Earncrib. And this platform here a marketplace where they connect buyers and sellers together, which means if you come this platform come buy something, and if you get waiting to sell, for example I want to sell this phone, if you come this platform come sell this phone, put them for their marketplace, you understand? If I scroll they say get paid for posting adverts daily on your social media. For people who want work where they find small thing, you understand? So now this platform they say they go reward you if they help they promote people products, you understand, or pages or whatever, you understand? Now waiting this platform say they go do be that. And if you come here they say review us on Trustpilot. So make I click on that Trustpilot. If I click on Trustpilot now one popular platform where be say any website where you find, you see say people go there go review them, so that if the thing they legit you go see them there. If you know they legit you go see them there. So see now Trustpilot where we did, so say Earncrib for Trustpilot. Earncrib get 4.8 stars ratings for Trustpilot in the same. So if we scroll down you go see some people reviews where people don't review this platform in the same. This particular person said this platform is excellent. Plenty people here they review this particular platform, and you go see say yeah they say 5 stars. Up to 89% of people they rate this platform 5 stars on Trustpilot, and they get over 304 total reviewers on Trustpilot here. And you need to know say for the fact say people like something no mean say you go like them, you understand? Cars and bikes, mobile and tablets, electronics, real estate. So this one now their services, entertainment, they are their products where they are available where if you come here come buy, or if you come here come sell. Now categories be this. According to this platform they say if you come here make you come the user and they collect small thing for yourself. Now I beg make you no forget say this one no be tutorial. I no come here to come show you how to register or how to log in. No be tutorial, but this one I just review what they do. If you find the tutorial, make sure you follow me on cden.com/solidpicturestv, cden.com/solidpicturestv. You go see the tutorial there, you understand? And there you go see tutorial. I know they drop tutorial for YouTube again, you understand? Just to keep the community safe, you understand? I go just go ahead, I go log into my account and I go show now 1 or 2 things, the part where I like and the part where I don't like, so that if you don't like well you go let me know for comment section. They say the first thing where you go do now for you to register, and according to them they say after you don't sign up, they say the next thing where you go do now for you to activate your account. According to them, another thing I discover here is they get 2 types of account. Now the first account are for people who won't come here come work. The second account are for people who won't come here come sell. Now even if you won't come here come sell, they get 2 types of premium. According to them, they get basic user, they get premium user. Basic user na person where they use them for free, understand? They get lifetime and they get monthly. Me personally, the money I've been used upgrade my account na 1k. I've been used upgrade my account. If you will be sad, they come here, they do small tax, online micro jobs, they collect small thing for myself according to what I've been do by that time. But as I tell you before, they don't change. They say according to them, they say make you sign up. They say make you, after you sign up, they say make you activate your account. After you do that one, they say make you set up your profile. profile. After you do that one, they say make you start today. Either you start today market your product if you get product we want sell, or you start today do small online work for this platform. They call it small thing. Make we talk about their withdrawal. So for their withdrawal, yeah, according to what me they see here, 200 naira. For me, 200 naira 9 be their minimum withdrawal. Before now, you go see say they get live support here. We mean say if you come here, contact their customer service in case you get wahala and all these things. If you just come here, go through this platform, they're very simple. So what be the things why I like and the things why I don't like about this platform? But make you remember, say no be tutorial, but this one a review. And if you define tutorial, make you join me for seeding. I go drop the tutorial, I give you join my seeding account. You understand? I go drop them for comment section, give you. The first thing I like about them be saying it is easy to understand for new people. The second thing I like about them is say they get different opportunities. So if you say if you come here, they sell your products, maybe your phone where you know they use again. If you sell them, collect your money, or if you come here, they do their tax, they collect small thing for yourself. Now another thing I like about them be say their withdrawals here they fast. You understand? If you place withdrawal, it will take you just few minutes. You go to receive the money. And another thing I like about them be say their minimum withdrawal they very small. They very small. So even if you get like 200, 500, 1k, if you come out your money, another thing I like about them be that. And another thing I don't like about them be say they get affiliate program. They give you small commission if you join their affiliate program. Waiting be the things why I not like. Number one, they say they get premium accounts where be say you need to pay. Not be everybody get money to pay, so they get premium account. The second thing I don't like about them now their UI. Their UI means their display. Some things are not in the right position where they're supposed to be. It's actually not neat enough. So now waiting I don't like things just the scatter. So I don't like their UI. And another thing I don't like about them is say if they do their tax, the rewards where they go they give you no go too plenty. You understand? You no go too plenty. And another thing I don't like about them be that. But apart from that, well, their platform actually they okay. People they earn, people they come out their money, and their customer service they active and all those stuff. So those are the things you need to know about the platform. It is very simple. But if you ask me, say how I go take rate this platform from 1 to 10, so I feel give them 5 over 10. If you ask me to rate them, I feel give them 5 over 10. You understand? So they still need a lot of improvement. They need plenty improvement for the platform. So tell me what you think about this update. You think say this update they okay? I be no they okay. If now you go like use this kind of platform, I be you know go like use this kind of platform. Just drop your opinion for comment section. Anyways, I go see you now for another video. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.